Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another DIY video. Again, it is my Christmas edition and I cannot wait to show you what I have in my sleeve for you this time. If you would like to know what I have made, please keep on watching. Okay guys, for this project we will need a wreath. This is from Dollar Tree. It's 8 inches and I had 2, so I already used one, so I have 1 left. So it is 8 inches wide. Then we'll need a couple of rows of decorated mesh. And what I'm planning to do, I would like to use this pretty blue. And in between, I'm gonna kind of mix it up with this snowy light blue. Same thing with the white one. I would like to use this one with this one. So I don't know exactly how many rows I would use. I have extras just in case, but at the end of the video I will tell you. And all my mesh will be pre-cut. I'll show you in the video exactly 7-inch long, and I will be tying them with this tinsel stamps from the Dollar Tree as well. I just cut them in half. For the middle part of my wreath, I'll be using this really pretty statue that I found at the Dollar General, and since I thought I would like to make a Holy Night Christmas wreath, I thought this would be perfect. So I think it was between $2 to $3. I can't remember because my sticker fell off, obviously, because it was right here and I thought I would show it to you. But then for the middle part, this is from one of the Dollar Tree decoration that is fall off, so I'm planning to insert it somewhere inside this statue for my middle portion of the wreath. Okay guys, I got my mesh pre-cut, the blue ones, and the light blue. And so what I want to do, I'm gonna want to put this light blue inside my dark blue, and then I'm gonna roll it together just like that, and then right in the middle I'm gonna secure it with my tinsel, just like that. See how cool it is that you can see inside? Okay, so now I'm going to take my wreath form and I'm going to attach it to these 2 inner circles. Well, outer circles, I guess, sorry. So for the outside, two lines that are outside the wreath, closer to the edge. And all I do is just twisting them around. Just like that. This video is a part of my monthly challenge, Inspired DIY Challenge, and I have a lovely co-host with me today, Elizabeth from Dandy Soap DIY. She is my best friend. We have known each other for quite some time. She's an amazing teacher. She's an amazing crafter. I would strongly recommend for you guys to go check out her channel. Everything will be linked in the description below, and don't forget, there will be a playlist link in the description below as well with all the lovely people who are participating in this challenge. Don't forget to go and show them some love and tell them that I sent you. But right now, let's move on with the DIY. Okay guys, this project is inspired by Pinterest. I have seen a picture, but a little bit different, so I modified it, and if I find it, I'll pop it on the screen. But for everything we need is really easy to get, and I'm sure It's still available. There is a Dollar Tree candle holder, a couple of ornaments. So for this project, exactly we need 10. Then this is a mason jar lids that I am reusing. I have made a really cute light up pumpkin. If you want to see it, I'll pop it in the cards above. But I kind of took it apart because I want to make this tree. And for the top, I'm planning to use this cute little star, but I don't know how it's gonna fit. So, and of course, to secure everything together, we will be using a glue gun. Any glue gun will work, but my favorite is a cordless shear bonder with the fine point tip glue gun. It's also linked to it in my Amazon storefront in the description below. But let's work on this one. Okay, the first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna assemble the tree. So this is what I had in mind. It should look like this. So I'm gonna start gluing it. I have seen people using a zip ties, so you're welcome to use that, but I don't really want to, so I'm gonna try use my shear bonder glue gun, because this glue is amazing and it should do the trick. But if it doesn't, you know, we can go back to the zip ties and secure it that way. But I think it will work just fine. Okay, so the frame is all ready. Now I'm gonna be putting the ornaments inside, and just like that. And I'm gonna be using the hot glue to glue it together. There you go. Okay, isn't that cute? I think it turned out pretty awesome. I like how it is. Let me move it further so you can see. So now what I want to do, I'm gonna put it on the stand, and I have not thought about how I'm gonna do this, but maybe this one, because it needs something to hold on to it. Maybe this one wasn't a good idea. Okay guys, this is not gonna work. So unfortunately, I could make it work, but it's just no, not for now. This is what happens during the crafts. Sometimes you have a vision and it's just not it. So what I have a piece of wood from a prior project. As you could tell, it was some kind of something on it, and I took it out. Don't even remember what it is. So I'm gonna paint it with my Beverly chalk paint in the color shade Hazelnut. And then I have some Jenga tumbling blocks, I guess. And what I'm gonna do, first I'm gonna glue my tree to this, and then I'm gonna use the blocks to raise it up. So hopefully that will give me what I'm looking for. I want it a little bit raised up, but not a lot. So what we do right now is just paint, because I want it, I thought about painting it green, but this is no, I kind of want the farmhouse theme, so it's like white and silver, so brown, light brown would work for my idea for this craft. So plus the chalk paint dries amazingly fast, so make sure you do all the sides and then give it a couple of minutes. I don't know how about you guys, but for me it's drying ridiculously fast, so I'm really happy when I'm using the chalk paint. Okay guys, the tree is up and it's on this little stand. So what I want to do, I want to raise it up. So as I told you, I opened my tumbling blocks, jingle blocks, whatever you call it. So I got 4 of the dark brown on each side. So I'm gonna glue them together and then glue my tree on top of it, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do with our top. Okay guys, I used my wire cutters to cut this thing off, because I just want this on top. So I'm gonna use my glue gun to secure the star to the top, and we'll be done. Here is the finished product. I think it turned out cute, so I will show you how it sits on my shelf, because right now I can't put it stand up, so you can't, it doesn't fit in the camera the whole way, but it's all done. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to check out the playlist and give some love to my lovely co-host Elizabeth from Dainty Soap DIY. I was so honored she agreed to be my co-host this month. But for the next month, we are taking a break. Just FYI, we will resume our monthly challenges in January. For now, that is all for today. I wish you all wonderful holidays that are upcoming this week, and I will see you in my next DIY real soon. Bye for now.